Alright, Emma, what are we going to do? KK? We're going to go get him? Alright, go get him. Go ahead. Go get him. Who is it? Go get him. Go get him, Emma. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, you didn't get him. You had to touch him. Go get him. What is she doing, KK? Come on. Okay. Emma. Emma, no, don't climb that. You'll get hurt. He's getting out of here. Come on, Emma, let's go. Oh no, you've locked us in, you fool. You've locked us in. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. You know, one of these days they're both going to be really big. Caleb. They can watch these videos. Emma, no climbing. No, no. No, Emma, you'll get hurt. They can look back on these videos and see when they were little. What are you doing? Uh-huh. Caleb, what are you doing? Caleb. Cheese. You always think I'm taking a picture. Cheese. 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 Caleb, cheese. Cheese. Oh, Emma, careful. Emma. Cheese. Alright, kids, I gotta go to work. So we gotta go out in the kitchen and hang out with Nana. Bye, KK. Caleb. Say bye-bye.